Hey everybody, I am pulling out some old stuff to kind of make a video this way. You have asked that when I record these style of videos that I kind of run a narration track over it, and I will be providing that as per your request, so I hope you enjoy. We're going to do the top 5 dessert drinks. We're going to start with the Grasshopper. Get the tin out, drop that one naturally. Get it all set up. Get our jigger, common 2.5 or 2 and 1 ounce jigger per side. We're going to start with 2 ounces of peppermint vodka. Spill a little bit, as is our normal here. Go ahead and pour that in our shaker. I use almost entirely Barfly branded stuff. We're going to do 1/2 an ounce of clear or white creme de cacao. I'm going to just pour that in the jigger, smack some stuff on the way over. And we're going to go about anywhere between a 1/2 ounce to an ounce of green creme de menthe. This is nothing much more than a modified Grasshopper, but I gotta tell you, it is delish. Looking back on it though, I'd probably do just a 1/4 ounce of the creme de menthe. Put our ice in the shaker. And we're gonna need some heavy whipping cream. Smith's is a local brand. Go ahead and put that in there. And we are going to shake. Then we're going to pour it, ice and all, into a hurricane glass. You can use any glass you want, really, but hurricane's fine. And then a straw and a candy cane for garnish. This one's going to be a peanut butter cup martini. This one was phenomenal, actually. We're going to coat the inside of a martini glass with some Hershey syrup. You can put it in the fridge to help it harden, but I don't think I did that here. Just going to kind of coat the inside of the glass with the chocolate syrup. Nothing super fancy, just a nice coat on the inside of our glass. Oh, I guess I did put it in the freezer. Thank you, past me. Now, much to my shock and dismay, I did not have any Skrewball whiskey around, so I had to buy a couple of little airplane bottles, but you can get Skrewball or the Squirrel. Doesn't really matter, whatever's easier for you. You just need some type of peanut butter whiskey. 2 ounces of that, then you're going to do the 2 ounces of rumchata. Then I think you're going to do an ounce of the heavy whipping cream. This got used a lot in this video, actually. So an ounce of that. Spill some, as usual, as we are wont to do over here. And then we shake. The return of our freezer-laden martini glass, a little extra shake. We're going to pour our deliciousness out into the glass, and then we'll get to the garnish here in a moment. This one was really good. Get all that deliciousness out of there. And then for the garnish, I'm just going to take Hershey's chocolate bar and run it over my zester on top of the drink. Get little bits of chocolate on top. I should have gotten a shot of that. I didn't do that. That's super smart of me. There you have the peanut butter cup martini. This one is called the Dark and Fluffy. Now, if you look at the vodka back there, well, first off, we're going to do 2 ounces of chocolate liqueur. I think I have the Godiva, whatever you want to call it. That is Pinnacle whipped, steeped with marshmallows for about 48 hours. We're going to do 2 ounces of that. You don't have to do that. It didn't really change the taste of it. So we're going to do 2 ounces of that. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of the heavy cream as well. I just tried that with the Pinnacle whipped because I wanted to see how it tasted. I must be really fancy right here. Must be really feeling myself. Put our ice in the shaker. And we're going to give it a nice little shakeroo. Shaking complete. We're going to pour it into a rocks glass. What you see there is the Sinatra Says Comma Club rocks glass, limited edition. And then for garnish, we're just going to throw a couple of marshmallows right on top. The Dark and Fluffy. This one, the S'mores White Russian. Either my favorite or second favorite. We're going to mash up and beat the hell out of graham cracker right there for the garnish around the rim of the glass. So we're going to rim a rocks glass or an old-fashioned glass in chocolate syrup just to get it on the rim. Then we're going to stick that right in the graham crackers. Get that all nice and coated. Try to get all of that as much as possible covered. Beautiful. So we're going to coat the inside of the glass as well with the chocolate syrup. Now, the instruction calls for you not to mess it up while you're stirring, but honestly, who cares? I think it looks cooler. We're going to do the Pinnacle whipped marshmallow steeped vodka again. 2 ounces of that. Spill a little bit. Right into the glass. We're going to do 1 ounce of Bailey's. I think I poured it a little bit shy because I'm not a super big fan of Bailey's, but, you know, to each their own. Whatever your preference is, if you like Bailey's or Kahlua. Now, I thought it would be good here to do a little bit of the Mr. Black coffee liqueur. And, per usual, spill some of it. We're going to put some cubes right on top there. As you can see, it's already starting to mess with the chocolate on the side of the glass, so who cares? Then top with the heavy cream. This one was so good. This was delicious. Give it a stir, a la the dude. I tried to not mess up the chocolate on the side, but you can only do so much. And then the bane of my existence, the chocolate cupcake cocktail. We're going to rim the glass with chocolate syrup. And then we're going to put some sprinkles on that as well. This one was delicious. I just had a problem at the end. You'll see that it was an obvious reshoot after my whipped cream maker broke, because this recipe does call for whipped cream, but my whipped cream maker was broken. But it tasted perfectly fine without it. We're going to go 1 ounce of the Godiva chocolate liqueur. We're going to do an ounce of Pinnacle whipped, not marshmallow steeped, just regular Pinnacle whipped. I'm going to do an ounce of Disaronno or any Amaretto liqueur. And then an ounce of heavy whipping cream. Cut out me fighting with those stupid containers for 15 minutes. Ice in the shaker. Spill. That's some of the remnants of the mess up. Shake. Glass. Shake. Center. Pour. Deep sigh because of the frustration of having to reshoot this like 3 times. And there you have the chocolate cupcake. So I will rank them real quick. These are all good. Don't get me wrong. All of these were really good. But my favorite one is probably the S'mores White Russian, followed by Charlie Brown Christmas Tree, the chocolate cupcake, the peanut butter martini, and the dark and fluffy. But if I was just rating these out of 10, none of them would be below a 7. They were all delicious, so I suggest you try all of them. And you don't have to do the marshmallow vodka. I just kind of did that to try it. It didn't affect the flavor at all, really. Guys, let me know what you think with the little bit of a voiceover. I am just trying one of your suggestions, so let me know what you think down below. If you like this style of shooting with the voiceover, I am very much open to it, but it is all up to what my lovely and fantastic audience thinks. If you have anything you want to see being made, please let me know. If you have any suggestions for themes of drinks, let me know down below. Please like and share, do all that stuff that helps grow the channel, because I am really trying to grow this one. I have a lot of hope for this. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.